welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 8th standard English subject. So let's get started. Lesson number 3.3, The Last Leaf. In this video we are going to learn English workshop. So let's move to question and answers. Question number 1, read the story and choose the appropriate meaning. Now see the first one, struggling artist. Its correct option is second option, that is artist trying hard to earn the living. Now next, skeleton branches. Its correct option is third one, bare branches. Now next, blended the brush. Its correct option is painted skillfully. It means first option. Now next, platen. Its correct option is second option, a board used by artists to make colors. Now next, masterpiece. Its correct option is third, an unacceptably beautiful work of arts. So here we have completed our question number 1. Let's move to question number 2, that is make pairs of sentences to show the difference between the meaning of the following homographs from the story. Now here is first one, that is interest. Now let's see. The bank promised a high rate of interest to its customer. Now next, the audience soon lose interest in the boring match. Now next, that is well. Now see, the well was so deep that one could not see the water. Now next, the principal sent Sumit home as he was not feeling well. Now next, that is left. Now see, when Roma turned to her left, she saw a long line of taxis. Now next, the major had left before it began to rain. Now next, that is just. Now see, the children had just left when the magical arrived. Next, it is the duty of a just to be just. Now next, that is mind. Now see, mind your language, say the man to the rude young boy angrily. Now next, we should try not to have any negative thoughts in your mind. Here we have completed our question number 2. Now let's move to question number 3, state the facts about the story. Now see main characters. Shu Johnsy, the doctor, and Bearman. Now next, problem. Johnsy negative attitude. Her lack of will be life and the fancy that she will die when the last leaf fell from the ivy vine. Attempts made to solve it. The doctor informed Ju that Johnsy would recover only if she had the wish to live. Shu looked after her well and tried to make her think positively. Finally, Bearman painted a leaf on the wall so that the last leaf would never fall and Johnsy would live. Now next, climax, turning point. Now see, first point, when Johnsy see the last leaves still clinging to the vine and realized that she had been given a message that she was linked to vine or die. Now next, the swiper find Bearman in very wet clothes and shoes with scattered brushes and a plate with yellow and green color mixed on it. Now next, problem solved. Johnsy realizes that her mistake and begins in look forward the life again. Now next, that is last point, end. Through Johnsy lives, Bearman who painted the last leaf contrasts pneumonia due to exposure to rain and snow. He dies due to her efforts. He died so that Johnsy lives. So here we have completed our question number 3. Let's move to question number 4. Say whether the following statements are right or wrong. Now see first one, Ju and Johnsy was very close friend. Its answer is right. Now next, Ju was a rich girl. Its answer is wrong. Now next, Johnsy was hopeful that she will live. Its answer is wrong. Now next, Bearman was a hard-hearted person. Its answer is also wrong. Now next, the last leaf fell off during the rain. Its answer is right. Now next, Johnsy realizes that her thinking was wrong. Its answer is right. Now next, Bearman does not know anything about the last leaf on the ivy. Its answer is wrong. Now here we completed our question number 4th. Let's move to question number 5th. Correct the following statement. Now see first one, Ju and Johnsy were very good neighbors. Its correct answer is Ju and Johnsy were very good friends. Okay, now next, Johnsy was eager to recover from his illness. Its correct statement is Johnsy had made up her mind that she was not going to recover. Now next, Ju ignored Johnsy completely. Its answer is correct statement is Jew looked after Johnsy well. Now next, Bearman was very heartless person. Now here is correct statement is Bearman was a very kind-hearted person. Now next, that is the real ivy leaf did not fall off at all. Now its correct answer or statement is the real ivy leaf fell off the night it rained and snowed. Now the last, that is the last leaf was a real leaf that survived. The correct statement is the last leaf was a leaf painted on the wall by Bearman. Here we have completed our question number 5th. Now let's move to question number 6. Read the description of the following from the story and describe any one of them using your own words. Okay, here is 3 is given, but you have to write any one. I am giving you second and third one because you have to write any one. No. So you have to write second and third any one from these 2 of them. Now let's see the Bearman answer. Bearman was a struggling painter who lived on the ground floor of the building where Sue and Johnsy lived. He was a failure in art, for though he had been painting for 40 years, he had not made any money. He always dreamed about painting a masterpiece and often spoken about it, but had never got round to doing it. Now next, that is the last leaf that Johnsy saw. Now let's see the answer. The last leaf that Johnsy saw was not a real leaf, but a leaf painted on a wall by Bearman. It was dark green near its stem, but its edges were tinted with yellow. It hung from a branch some 20 feet above the ground. Naturally, it never fluttered or moved when the wind blew. It was Bearman's masterpiece and had been painted the night when the real last leaf had fallen. Now here we have completed our question number 6. Now next and last question, that is compose an imaginary dialogue between Sue and Johnsy when they realize about when Bearman had done for Johnsy. Now let's see the answer of imaginary dialogue. Now for Johnsy say, Jew, did you know that Mr. Bearman had painted that last leaf? Jew say, no, I knew it just now too. Johnsy say, Jew, that means that he got wet that night painting the last leaf. Jew say, and got pneumonia after that? Johnsy say, yes, because of my stupid fancy that I would die when the last leaf fell. Now Jew say, it certainly was a stupid idea. Johnsy, I feel so guilty now. Shoo, it has if he died for me. Jew say, yes, so that you may live. Johnsy, oh, what a wonderful composition, man, to go out in the cool, wintry, snowy night just to paint the leaf. Now Jew say, and development pneumonia? Johnsy say, what could I do now? How can I even thank him? Jew say, I know what you can do. Johnsy say, what? Jew say, paint your masterpiece of the Bay of Naples and dedicated it to him. Johnsy say, yes, I think that's good idea. Yes, I do that. Thanks, Jew. So here we have completed our lesson 3.3, the last leaf. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching my video.